Hey y'all, I'm back. And girl, it's another Lavish maintenance. But this one is a little tricky. Yeah, I'm back. We gonna blame her. We blaming Miss Rihanna. I'm back in Sephora, girl. I had to get another color. That lipstick was so good. I said, girl, I gotta get another shade, girl. I gotta try another color. So I went and got what? Riri, of course. And I also got me another cream concealer. See, this is why I wasn't even supposed to go in there. You see, that's the problem right there. But let's have a looky loo anyway, child, since I went. Okay. Just them two products, girl, $65. Girl, Sephora is a gangster. Okay, now here go the Fenty Icon Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Let's swatch her. Ooh. It's in the color Riri. Girl, the packaging. Again, the packaging. Rihanna got the plug. Let's watch her. Girl, look at that cup. Girl. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to put her on with a purple lip liner. Yeah, I put her up there with her sister. Yes. Okay. Now let's get into this concealer. Because I have a lighter shade, but I wanted one a little bit darker. I wanted to do just an all cream face. See what that gives. See, this is the other one I have. This is in the color Almond. It's a lighter shade. It's like a highlight shade for me. And this is in Hazelnut. It's more of like a warm base. I think that'll be good to like use to discolor around like my mouth and around my nose area. We're gonna try her out, but let's swatch it though. Yeah, I like what it's giving. I didn't really want to swatch in the store like talking about because everybody swatch. I don't want to touch this stuff everybody finger been on. But child, yeah, that's all I got, child. That's it. I'll probably be doing a video on that concealer. Bye y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all see my dirty mirror? A mess. Thank y'all for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Peace out.